Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how to make a no cost, easy and quick bed canopy. It can be a permanent add-on to your room or can be a temporary one as per the occasion or mood. Why the celebrations at home need to be simple, it can be extravagant sometimes. So let's start. तो हमें चाहिए क्या? We need only four things. A sari, a tuni light, a hook which can be stick to the wall and a simple plain bangle. Now, if you are doing this setup as a permanent one, no add-on is needed. However, if you are doing it for some special occasion, try to enhance it with whatever decoration stuff available with you. So let's start the canopy. Open the sari and pass it through the bangle lengthwise, dividing the sari into two equal halves. Now hang the bangle on the hook to create the frame of our canopy. Then spread the sari on both sides of the bed and tuck it firmly. Next, pass the tuni light from the same bangle and stick it to the border of the sari with the help of a sellotape. To give our canopy a more cozy feel, use some throw pillows or cushions as a add-on. Here, our easy and quick canopy is ready. Arey ruko, it's time for pro tips. Tip number 1. Use this setup for your corner areas with a lower sitting arrangement as well. Tip number 2. This canopy can be done with dupattas as well. If you want to see how, let us know in the comment section so that we can do a video for that as well. Tip number 3. Enhance the look by adding other decor stuff available at your ease. Do try this at your home or for your special occasion and let us know how you have decorated it. If you have find the video helpful, do like it and share it. Also, wait till our next video. Bye bye.